What is going on? How you doing, bro? Just a quick update. I installed a different exhaust. So take a guess. Guess in the comments what part I've installed. She's loud. She's hell of a loud. I'm just listening to that. Hope you guys can hear it. So like I told you guys, I had to return the two brothers to its owner. He wanted to put it back onto his ZX. So I wasn't gonna go back to a stock exhaust because those things are too quiet. I ended up kind of trying to build my own part to get the SC on here, and it's okay. It's not something I'm like really loving. The bowl itself, there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be sorted out with that, but she still sounds hell of a wicked. She does the job. So at the moment, I'm on my way to the repair center. Like I told you guys, I needed to get my wheels sorted. So I'm on my way there. I need to drop the bike off there and then head to work so that I can sort out my wheel. They said it's going to take about 9 working days. But my guy told me he'll try and speed it up for me. So if he can get it sped up for me, that would be amazing. Because, yeah, this is what the bike does. Look at the steering wheel. That's from the buckle. That's from the buckle on the front wheel. the steering just keeps on jerking. And when you sit like this and ride, you know, your right hand tends to get numb. So it's only between like 100 and 140. After 140, it seems to go away. So I think the higher the speed, the better. But yeah, back to the exhaust. I still had the stock pipes. I still had my cat on. I still had the stock back box. So that thing was silent. And custom, if you have some equipment to bend and exhaust and can't enjoy the cat and stuff. So he said, yeah, bring it through. I took it through to him. He helped out quite a bit. Took out my cat. I'm perfectly happy with that. What I don't like is the bend at the back itself, because the pipe tends to come out on the right hand side. I needed the pipe to be in the center, otherwise it's just gonna look funny. So I needed a bend made. And I think the guy from the start, his worker that works on the exhaust, when he saw it was a bike, he already gave up for some reason. He said that the last time he worked on a bike, he almost set it alight. And I mean, he was welding while the exhaust was on the bike. Of course it's going to set alight. So anyway, I spent the day there as well. I was taking off the headers and putting it back on so that he could measure, and then taking it off so that he could weld. So it was a bit of a long day. Everything is perfectly fine except the bend itself. So I'm just going to see if I can get that redone. But if I'm going to do that, I'd rather just get the whole pipe made again. This is the first time I'm riding the bike since we put the exhaust on. So, you know, when you start to stress and you start to hear noises that aren't even there. Yeah, so I actually had to also make my own lights. So I bought some LEDs and I fitted them in. I don't have indicators right now, but I do have a running light and I do have a brake light. I still need to get indicators on. The reason why that's not in is because I was a bit of a rush job to get here today, this morning. And there you go. That's what the SC looks like. And these are my running lights. So yeah, hopefully after they sort out this wheel, this front wheel, then I can put my tires on. I've got new tires at home. Well, not new, but fairly new, that I need to fit on. So that's going to be the next move. Maybe to get another bend here. Doesn't look too bad, but yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.